How to pin a post to your Facebook account. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question they have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists sorted for each app, and let's get started. So now here we are on an iPhone. We're gonna now search for Facebook and open it. Let's scroll down and search for Facebook, and here we're opening it. And then let's make a post, just any random post. Click on the plus icon here and then click on post this, like public, and then write anything, hi for example, and post it. Now let's go to the profile from down, and here is the post that we're gonna pin. And now what we're gonna do now is just click on the three dots here beside, or on the upper right of the post beside your account name, and click on it and then click on pin post. Now as you can see, your post is pinned now, and you can do it with whatever posts you want. For example, if you share the post and want to pin it, it's just the same step. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.